Hello, today we are doing this candy dispenser. We turn it and there it's you can see the candies there. So we start cutting the pieces from this set, the Gumball machine dies, and these are most of the pieces that we will be cutting. These two ones, some of the hearts for deco. There's other hearts for deco. This part will be also deco here under, and it's here already done. This is for the handle, and well, that's basically it. After we have this, we have to place these two together, and then we have to cut this with the circle over, and make sure that we leave this space, so we come up with something like this. And if you can see here, we have the frame that will prevent this little window from getting cut off. Now we put this apart, and then we start working with the mechanism. For the mechanism, we will be using this foam, double side foam klebrig. Then it's this type of product. It is 9.75 euros. You have 6 pieces in every set. Then we will be with the 3/4 punch. We will punch something like this, and we will have 3 forms. We will cut 3. This will be our mechanism, and then we will make some kind of the little top of a mountain here. I don't know if you can see more or less. Then this piece we will cut just like that. So, and we do the same with each one of these pieces, and then we will stack them. We have here already 2 of them stacked. We stack them all together. So, oops. And now on one side we cover with cardboard the same size, just one from this in white. On the other side we place this idea is try to make this little moon or sun over. And this the drawing of the handle, so the little sun over, and then that is just for presentation, but that's not like so important if you don't want to have it like that, but well, that is the idea. Then on this piece that we cut, we will glue some foam stripes, one little one, and then we will color in gray. Then we will punch with our tool and make sure we get it. If you want, you can take this off to see clearly that gets there in the middle. And we will introduce a brad. Now this is important. The brad won't be like this. Let me see if you can see the top of the brad. Let me see there. The top of the brad opens like this. So this opening will be on the long side, not on the thin side. If we do that, then this opening will break this because it's very thin. Then maybe I will do it and show you so you can see. There it is. And there you can see it opens like this. So one to this side and one to the other. If it had done opening like this, it would break our foam. Then after we have this, on this, we will also, let me see, where is it? My tool here. We will also punch here. There we have our top. Then introduce the handle there, and then with our tool again, we will open the legs of the brad. Okay, so perfect. Then this is our mechanism. Then this Marty comes there, we turn it and comes on under. Now, where did we take this? It was actually from this, just punching. If you can see, just right the center. And if you see, it's just the right size of 2 cents. If you don't have the punch, you can measure with something like that for your circles. And then this will go here. That's what I was saying, like the circle goes over, because gives continuity to the drawing here, basically. Then, so here we have, and then one thing more is we cover this with a piece of cardboard. And why is this? Because, well, you can do it this first and then put it inside, or do it the other way around. This is very important, because if we don't do this, the Smartie will tend to glue in this form, and then it won't stay in, it won't allow to stay in place. Then I actually just put some glue around, all around, cover everything, and then we cut it like that. This is a stripe from a 1/4 inch, and then we do this so it'll easily take the form, and here we make sure it makes the moon. Then we have to wait for this to dry, but I have one ready. Of course, then I will show you. Here it is already done. Then we need to work on the dome. This needs to have a little opening here at the bottom, and I will show you how. Let me see if I can put a different background so you can see. Yeah, maybe there. So it's a little square, and well, there I have already the measure. It is let's say like almost 1.5 centimeters, let's say. And you basically cut with your scissors. We'll show you. You can do it. There you go. And it is up to the line that we have there. So this dome is ready to go. And now we are almost ready to assemble. We have all the parts Then we will use the base card we glue our frame. This is taken from the set. What is it? Here. Hey Sports Fan. And the one inside is taken from this set. This is for free in the celebration promotion. Then once we place these, we make sure that our form sets like we have the whole structure or so. We just place it in play with washing and run it in the machine. Then we will have something like this. Now we just have to put our dome here. If you see here, I decided to cover again this with the same that we have in here, but right now I will do it a lot easier and just cover it like that. But well, we need to make the hole because then this has also double glue and yes. I forgot to mention one thing. The cutting is on the long side. If you see here, we have one short and one long. So the cutting and the dome is on the long side. Here we have one short, one long. Here will be the cutting. Then we have this ready to fill, and until now it's just like a shaker. So we fill this, and then we will, if we were going to put this, then we have to mark this before putting the dome. And then just like, let's say this could go here, and then we could put it there, and so yeah. But I'm not doing that, I'm just gluing this because this seems to me like a chewing gum background. Then I will just glue and remove from here this. I have the marks there to see where could be center, and that's our shaker. Then you can see like the candy goes through. That is something we have to check before assembling the other part to make sure it's really working. Now, on these, we will put together this with some stripes from the foam. Again, we need 3 of them, and we will let me see where I have those. I have already some, but well, let me show you how we cut this. In one of these, what I did is just like take the size of this, and this is just the right size. This is just the right size, and this will be measured with this, like from here to here, and then the other part, and we have just one little left, and that is just precise what we need for this other side. So we have one side from here, one side from here, and this little left will go here. So like this, one here, one here, and the little left goes here. So we do as follows. Before you glue this is very, very important. Make sure you mark at the level of the mechanism something like this, and punch it. Why is this so important? This will allow the mechanism to move, and will make sure this doesn't interfere with this. The same with the other side. The same with each one of these. We will stack 3 here, 3 here, and 3 little ones here. And we will have something like this. Okay. We have 3 from these pieces. There you can see we have this form right there. And on the sides here in my example, I covered with the same paper from here. In this, I'm covering with red, like this is and quart, same, I think. So then just, you can see, quarter of an inch. Yeah. Okay, so then you just glue it like this, and then this is ready to be placed in our card. Let's see, let's make sure we leave this open because sometimes it goes under and it's a little difficult to make it open. Then so we just take the protection and place it as over as we can, and make sure just that this opening is together with the other opening. That's all it takes. And there we have our gun machine. Then so we make this yeah, let me see. Okay, there we have one, and it'll come hopefully a blue one. There it is. Thank you.